Hi guys, this is Katie, and for today I'm going to make some turkey spaghetti. I have spices in the back. Let's see what else I have here. I have tomato sauce, some fresh mushrooms, which I'm going to have to clean up and wash up and slice, a Vidalia onion, some spaghetti pasta that I have to cook. Not a big deal, it's not going to take that long. And I also have, I think this is like 1 pound of ground turkey. Because I had 2 pounds and I cooked half of it, so I got 1 pound left. So anyway, so what I'm going to do is assemble it. And with ground turkey, with turkey spaghetti, you season it the same way that you would with your hamburger spaghetti. The only difference is you have less grease, a little less cholesterol, it's a little healthier, and it tastes good. So this is what we're going to do today. This is Cooking with Kay. It's going to be ground turkey. Let's just call it what it is. This is going to be turkey spaghetti. Turkey spaghetti, Cooking with Kay, Cooking 101. Thanks for watching. I'll be right back. Okay, at this point I have everything in my pan. I have the ground turkey, I have it simmering, I added some seasonings, some spices, chopped up the onion, and I'm just kind of gonna let it marinate for a little while, and then I'm gonna add my mushroom. I also added some garlic, so we're gonna see how it's gonna turn out. It's looking good so far. I'm just gonna let it simmer. I'm gonna add the mushrooms and keep adding my ingredients. Okay, finished product. This is turkey spaghetti with fresh seasonings and fresh ingredients made from scratch. And all I did was I put it on top of some regular pasta noodles, but to make it even healthier, you can use wheat noodles, which I've done that before also. I'm just using what I had on hand today. So you can use wheat noodles or just regular pasta noodles, and there you go. And I also shredded some Parmesan cheese on top of it, and add a little bit more specialty cheeses. And cheeses are kind of melting in there right now. Anyway, that's it. It's really not complicated. It's healthy. It's tasty. It's really kind of fun to make, to be honest with you. And it's a nice alternative to hamburger spaghetti. So here you go. This is Cooking with Kay. Here is my version of turkey spaghetti made from scratch. Hope you enjoyed it. Peace and grace. Bye-bye.